Atha Yoga Anushasanam. Namaste. Welcome to Unravel the Thread, a podcast for people who want to apply the Yoga Sutras to yoga practice and to life today. Available online at simple-yoga.org, where you can also find courses, articles, videos, and guided meditations to enrich your practice. I am Ruben Vasquez, your companion on this journey of exploration. I am grateful for your comments and questions. It really makes my day to know that Unravel the Thread is making a difference in your practice and in your life. This podcast presents excerpts from the book Unravel the Thread, the complete guide for living the Yoga Sutras today. If you love the podcast and want to support my work as an independent content creator, on the simple-yoga.org website, you can easily donate to keep the podcast going. On today's episode, we continue our journey through Chapter 3 of the Yoga Sutra with Sutra 349, that says, consequently, a body as fast as the mind, independence from sense organs, and mastery over the creative principle of nature, pradhana. These highest attainments challenge everyday notions. As a result of mastery over the sense organs, the body can move as fast as the mind, regardless of distance or circumstance. Independence from the sense organs has been interpreted as the ability to perceive without using one's sense organs. Some commentators indicate that the practitioner has the capacity to generate an organ when needed. One of the sutras in Chapter 4 of the Yoga Sutra will refer to this ability to create a body at will. The final achievement is mastery over the essence of life, pradhana. Here again there are different opinions. Some commentaries say that this mastery means that the yogi has the power to control nature. A typical objection is that wanting to control nature shows that there is still attachment to the world. A different viewpoint suggests that the yogi can use this power to fulfill their purpose to be of service. These questions can be useful in your exploration. What is your relationship to life's creative principle? Do you try to control life? Or do you embrace life in all its forms unconditionally? As usual, one more way of exploring the meaning of this sutra is by chanting it. You can choose to chant it in its traditional form with some of the words coming together. Tato mano javitvam vikarana bhava pradhana jayascha. Another option is to chant each word in the sutra individually. Tataha mano javitvam vikarana bhava pradhana jaya cha. 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 Tataha mano javitvam vikarana bhava pradhana Jaya. Cha. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you can join me for the next episode when we will continue our exploration with Sutra 350. If Unravel the Thread is part of your day and you feel generous, I would appreciate it if you could support my work with a donation at simple-yoga.org. Thank you. Remember that you can have your own copy of Unravel the Thread. Until next time, Namaste.